I'm at the Camper Caravan Show in Warsaw, or Nadajin, which is near Warsaw, and this is the first vehicle I filmed from this event. And this, as you can probably tell, is a Mercedes Atego 4x4. It's a used vehicle, it's about 10 years old, but the internal bit is new. And what's particularly interesting here is that it's got a garage, as you can see, and it's got a quad in. Now, quad actually sort of makes more sense than carrying around a car, I think, because it's sort of smaller, though of course it depends what you want. You might want to go around with something like this. These vehicles to use the roads, of course, do have to be registered. And we'll have a look at that in a while. Now, this vehicle here, it's got a price here of 570,000 zloty, which is approximately 120,000 euros, something along those lines. And right, so that's you've got the engine up here, Mercedes 1018A Atego. It's built in 2008. It's 130 horsepower and 177 horsepower, 130 kW. It's got the engines of 4.29 cm, and this one here has well, as I said, it's used, so it's got a few kilometers on the clock. Oh, there we go, 36,000 only. So 80 meters long and 4 meters high and 2.6 meters wide. So it's a bit wider than your average motorhome, or if it's an expedition vehicle, really, an expedition motorhome. Let's go and have a look inside. Now, this bit's new. This is a conversion. Now, so right, let's start off back here at the cab. So you've got the cab through there. Now, this company does some very nice conversions on usually Mercedes basis. So they've very elegant new seats, and get the impression they've done up the dash as well completely. Now, in the living quarters, the impression I get of this, I was in here last night, and I thought that this kitchen here, for example, looks like the size of many domestic kitchens, with huge amounts of space up there to work on. Here we've got the seating area, large table, and this has been finished in a imitation leather. Although it looks like real leather, it actually feels quite like real leather as well. The lights can be changed if you don't want it on blue. There's other colours as well. Toilets, heated, separate shower through there. Oh, no, that's something original. Space to hang your towels built into the door. So you can sleep lengthwise or widthwise as you choose. Steps up to the bed, and a very airy bedroom. Plenty of space above you. The bed is, I'd say, even comparatively low. But look up here, you've got the skylights and get onto the roof should you so desire. Windows, heating. curtain to separate the bedroom from the living quarter. Over here we have a fat fridge, a bit of storage up here. And storage below, of course, as well. So I'll see if I can get some more details about the truck and do that. That'll be in a different film. Have a walk around now. These things though are quite thirsty on the fuel, so I think we're probably looking at something like 30 litres to 100 kilometres plus with something like this. Up here you sort of get a really good idea of the height of it. Now, this company manufactures to order, so they've got a lot of new vehicles as well. I'll give you a quick walk around the stand, and I shall be filming everything, so it will appear eventually on my site. The event hasn't opened yet, which gives me the chance to actually film things. Right, so gives you a quick look. So return to this Mercedes Atego. And so what do you think of that? I'd have to say it is on the price front. I mean, it's a huge amount of cash whichever way you look at it, of course, but it is slightly cheaper than the ones I saw at Bad Kissingen of a similar age. And it's on a Mercedes base, so you've got the Mercedes reliability, and it hasn't got all that many kilometers done either.